Oh friends, welcome to a new video. Top 5 Best
CNC Router Kit.
Number 5.
Upgrade version CNC 3018 Pro GRBL controlled a mini CNC machine. New version CNC 3018 Pro is an upgraded version of 3018. Control software GRBL. The main two advantages of offline controller. 1. Do not need to connect the computer. Download the English manual and software. https:/my.cloud.com/public/show. This engraving machine can be engraved plastic, wood, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wood or the like material. Plastic body with a profile, small size, lightweight, USB interface, GRBL control systems.
Number 4.
Smart Genmitsu CNC Router 3018 MX3 Mark III Control. Smart Genmitsu CNC Router 3018 MX3 is the first 3018 CNC machine that controlled by Mark III. Double safety design, to prevent an engraving fault from exceeding the working area. Large working area, with an effective engraving area of 300 x 180 x 45 mm. Automatic tool setting function. Adjust the right position to start your CNC project has never been so easy. Complete kit. Smart 3018 MX3 is a build-it-yourself CNC router that allows you to create third objects from wood.
Number 3.
CNC 3018 Router Kit with offline controller GRBL. Generous working area, with an effective engraving area of 300 x 180 x 45 mm. Integrated, with an integrated mainboard and custom software. Software. The 3018 CNC uses GRBL, with high performance and low cost, is based on parallel port. Wide application, can be engraved all types of plastics, soft aluminum, woods. High quality, plastic body with a profile, small size, lightweight, USB interface, GRBL control system.
Number 2.
The CNC Router Kit, Miss Weedy. Purchase 3018 milling engraving machine can get free the power supply. Add the power supply. Control software, GRBL. Working area, 30 x 18 x 4.5 cm. This engraving machine can be engraved plastic, wood, acrylic, PVC, PCB, wood or the like material. Full set of spare parts, assembled by buyers. This machine uses specially developed engraving integrated. Download the English manual and software. https://s3.amazon.com/3018b/3018+b.ca.
Number 1.
BOBS CNC E4 CNC Router Engraver Kit. The E4 CNC router has the following features. A rigid laser cut frame. SG20U supported rail system. GT2 belt drive on X and Y axis. 5/16-18 nut on the Z axis.